and welcome to Blackburn Audi. My name is Chloe and today I'm incredibly excited to give you a quick tour around this brand new beautiful Q2 Technik what we have in stock. It is finished in the apple green colour and it is an absolutely distinctive head turner colour. We've got the LED headlights making sure you have the maximum amount of visibility with the headlight water jet system. As we move around the side of the vehicle, we've got the superb 16-inch alloy wheels. These are 5-sport design and do give off the really finishing classy look to the car. We've got the door mirrors, which are electrically adjustable, folding, heated with auto dimming and the integrated LED side indicators. It is a new shape of the Q2, so it's a lot more aerodynamic as you can see from the side panels. And as it is a brand new Audi vehicle, you will receive 3 years warranty and 3 years roadside assistance. This includes things like key cover and MOT cover, which really do come in practical. We've also got the LED headlights at the rear with the parking sensors. But going into the boot now on this mini SUV. As you can see, it is a very practical size for all your belongings. Perfect for any family days out or any successful shopping trips. And with one touch of the button, the powered operated tailgate will automatically come down for you. Going inside the vehicle now, this Q2 benefits from the superb front sport seats finished in cloth, and as we turn around we've got the 3-sport multifunctional steering wheel, which is just the perfect partner to top it off. These seats are manually adjustable and contain the 4-way lumbar support. Moving inside the cabin and onto the technology, we've got the Mmi Navigation System in the centre. Here is where you'll be able to get all your in-car entertainment, including DAB digital radio, smartphone and telephone interface. We also have the Audi Drive Select button. This is a massive benefit as the driver will be able to select whatever platform they would like to drive in. We've got the manual air conditioning, which is really accessible for you and your passenger. Here is where you'll be able to easily and effortlessly change and manage the temperature in this vehicle. We've got the 6-speed manual gearbox with the electrical mechanical parking brake. Moving on to the gorgeous 3-sport multifunction steering wheel, we've got the cruise control just down to the left hand side, making this family mini SUV really comfortable and easy to drive. Automatic rain sensors and automatic headlights, making your journeys a little bit more effortless. Moving on to the digital dashboard in front of the driver, here is where they'll be able to select whatever platform they would like to view. They can get up any of the general car overview, telephone interface and radio. So if you would like any more information about this beautiful vehicle, we've got some amazing offers on at the moment. So please don't hesitate to call us on 01254 868 216.